Are you a solopreneur trying to streamline your business? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CRM software as a solopreneur to organize and grow your business more efficiently. Stick around because I'm going to share my top recommendations, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make CRM software work for you. First, let's talk about why a CRM system is a game changer for solopreneurs. Without one, keeping track of clients, leads, emails, and tasks can quickly become chaotic. A CRM helps you centralize everything, stay organized, and focus on what matters: growing your business. Whether you're dealing with clients, managing follow-ups, or organizing your sales pipeline, this software helps you do it all in one place. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your contacts. Add clients and leads into the CRM with their contact info, status, and any notes you need to remember about them. The software we'll be using today allows you to easily import contacts from spreadsheets, or even sync them with your email account. That means no manual data entry. You can hit the ground running. Next, categorize your contacts. Set up custom tags or groups so you can easily filter your contacts by their status, whether they're leads, active clients, or repeat customers. This will save you time when you need to follow up with someone or organize them for a specific task. Now let's talk about tasks and reminders. With CRM software, you can create tasks for yourself, set reminders, and even assign deadlines to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. For solopreneurs, this feature is invaluable. It keeps you on top of your game without having to rely on sticky notes or to-do lists that are easy to lose track of. But the real power of CRM software comes with tracking your sales pipeline. Most CRMs let you visually track your sales process with drag and drop features for each stage of the sales journey. You can see where each lead is in your process and know exactly when to follow up, which makes closing deals more predictable. Now, automation. With CRM software, you can automate email campaigns, follow-ups, and even set up workflows for recurring tasks. Imagine waking up to find that your system has already sent out client reminders or marketing emails, saving you hours of work. This is the secret weapon for solopreneurs looking to scale without adding extra hours to the day. So, what's the best CRM for a solopreneur? I've tried the most popular CRM options out there, and after testing them, I recommend using this software. It has everything you need, from task management to email automation and a streamlined interface. Plus, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got an exclusive free trial just for you. Check the link in the description below to get started with this software. Key takeaway. As a solopreneur, using CRM software is essential for staying organized and scaling your business efficiently. Focus on adding your contacts, setting up your tasks, tracking your sales pipeline, and automating repetitive tasks. By doing these, you'll save time, close more deals, and keep your clients happy. To quickly recap, you need to 1. Add and categorize your contacts. 2. Set up tasks and reminders. 3. Track your sales pipeline visually. 4. Automate your follow-ups and emails. And remember, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.